How to engage with your customers and build your online reputation with Google Q&A. Google Q&A is a great way for you to engage with your customers when they're interacting with your business online. Just like online reviews, it's important that you're managing your Google Q&A activity. And luckily, it's super easy. You'll receive an alert for each new question, and you're able to ask or answer your own questions all from one dashboard. To get started, you'll need to log into your reputation dashboard. Once you're here, make sure your Google My Business profile is connected. Click the banner and follow the instructions to log into your account. Awesome, you're connected. Then, check out the Google Q&A tab in the left-hand navigation. This page will automatically show all the questions your customers have left on Google. To make the most of Google Q&A, we recommend doing the following things. First, respond to any unanswered questions. Start with the most recent ones. Once you click Answer, it'll automatically be posted to Google. Next, check out the answered questions. These might have the badge Unanswered by Owner, which means someone else answered the question on Google. It's important to make sure that all of these answers are correct. The last thing you should do is ask yourself a question. That might seem weird, but it's actually a great way to populate Google Q&A with common questions that your customers are already asking. Some typical ones could be, do you offer free Wi-Fi? Is parking free? Or do you offer gluten-free options? Let's ask, are you open on Christmas Eve? And provide the answer. Now, this will show up on the Google Knowledge panel. That's all there is to it. Engage your current and potential customers using Google Q&A and help strengthen your online reputation.